Good morning, welcome to another Facebook Live with Big B, the anti-lawyer lawyer. Starting this Saturday from 10 to 11, I'm going to be on Cage Side Seat Radio with Jim, and I'm going to butcher your last name, Jimmy, so I apologize, Greischeiber. That's 99.3, 95.9, The Fanatic, also 1580 AM every Saturday. So this Saturday we're going to be talking about the Cyborg fight coming up. We'll pick the two main cards. T-City and Frankie Edgar against, and then Cyborg, and it doesn't really matter who Cyborg is fighting because she's a badass. But, so again, check that out, listen to us please, it'd be great. So today, just doing a little bit different, we got some of the gals in the office and some other people to submit questions. I've never seen the questions, but I'm gonna answer the questions here again with the idea of essentially like someone interviewing me, so you kind of get to know me more as it relates to just me, the lawyer. So, what made you choose personal injury instead of criminal or anything else? You know, I think criminal just never really intrigued me, and then when I think about anything else, I think about like family and divorce, custody. I think none of that would be any fun. And plus, with being a trial lawyer like I am, I wanted to be in front of the jury, and I wanted to be helping people and making those arguments, and I feel like personal injury is the best area to do that. What made you decide to get so many tattoos? It's really like the old story, man. You get one and then you want to have a lot. I got my first one when I was 18, and then over the years, now I'm an old guy, 39, and the one I recently just got, I got about, I think it was like 2 or 3 months ago. So it's something I always liked, and then in my profession, it took me a while to get anything that was visible, that then I was like, nah, you know what, I'm gonna be me, I'm gonna do it, people are gonna like it or they're not. The great thing about it now, I think, is you see me, you either want me as your lawyer or you don't, and that's awesome. If you don't, there's other lawyers out there for you, and I wanna work with people that wanna work with me, so it's an easy thing for you to decide because you see me and it's either something that you're gonna dig or you're not. Why did I start advertising? Well, again, there's so many personal injury lawyers out there. For me, I felt with my skill set of actually trying cases, looking the way I do, talking the way I am, then for people to want to retain me, they got to get to know me. And the only way to get to know you is, you know, you do a commercial or on the radio or billboards, people see you. And that's why my advertising is so much different, because I want it to be me. What you see up there on the billboards, 265 pounds of pure justice, it's me. I'm a different guy, but I'm authentic. I actually try cases, and I wanted to obviously be successful at what I did, so I needed to get my name and my brand out there. What was it like growing up in Canada? So yeah, I'm from Canada, grew up in Canada, came down here to go to law school at ASU. It was cold, and it was very stereotypical. I ate and drank maple syrup pretty much all the time, with Canadian bacon, and played hockey. And we drank a lot of beer. What sport did you play growing up? Boy, to hit it, hockey. What's my biggest strength as a trial lawyer? I think my personality. I think juries, when we talk to juries after trials, which we're allowed to do, when we ask them what they liked, what they didn't like, they say that they found me believable, authentic, and they believed what I say. Obviously, it's important. This is a watered down version, but a trial is basically, you know, 2 stories being told. One story on behalf of my client, one story opposite my client. The jury's gonna believe the story or not. And obviously to believe the story, you gotta believe the storyteller. So I think that's my biggest trait, is me being me being personal. How'd you guide your style as a lawyer? I think I'm definitely aggressive. Again, that's for some people, it's not, but known as the proverbial pit bull or bulldog lawyer, that's definitely me. Favorite hobby? You know, I don't even really know if I have a hobby. I ride a Harley, you know, I like getting tattoos, I like going to the gym and boxing, you know, but for the most part, I think, and it's gonna sound cliche, but it's my family. My 2 little girls mean everything to me, so my hobby is going to their dance like every weekend. But you know, for my job, doing these sort of things, I love doing. The radio Saturday, love doing. You know, we'll do stuff for the UFC live radio. I love doing that stuff as well. What's your favorite tattoo And do I have any other tattoos planned? My favorite tattoo, I don't know if I really have a favorite tattoo, to be honest with you. I got these two little ones on my thumbs, A and M, Ava and Mia, my daughters. I think that would be mine. And then do I have anything planned? Luke Westman, who did my neck, I'm gonna get him to do my whole back. So we're planning the back piece. Top of my back is already done, but we're gonna blast over it and do something new. It'll be like all my other stuff, American traditional. Who is the better UFC fighter? Colin McGregor or Tony Ferguson? So a fight that should happen sooner than later, kind of get me into the mode of the MMA radio cage side seat that I'm doing Saturday with Jim on the Fanatic. You know, man, Conor McGregor's a badass. I think Tony Ferguson, obviously tough as nails, but Conor McGregor, man, he's got that mouth and he's got the skills to back it up, and so I love that. I love the personality. Favorite food? Pizza. I love pizza. Meat pizza or Hawaiian pizza, extra cheese, extra pineapple. If I could be any wrestler character, who would I be? Come on, man. Ric Flair. Woo! Who is someone I admire and why? I'd like to say Ric Flair, you know, but like, I think anybody who goes against the grain, you know, like Dana White, cool guy, went against grain. A lot of people didn't back him, took a business that he bought for like $1 million, turned it into $1 billion. So anybody that goes against the grain, against the norm, I admire that. What made you choose personal injury? Oh, that's it, man. We're out. So again, this Saturday, turn in 10 to 11, 99.3, 95.9, and 1580 AM. Cage Side Seat Radio. We're going to go over the UFC card on Saturday night. Again, Cyborg's the main event. And then in a week, we'll do another one. I don't have anything planned, honestly, but I'll think of something cool. Also, check out between 10 to 11 on Saturday. I'll do some Facebook Live of the radio. I think we have Seth Basinski, retired UFC fighter, on that night, on that day. This is this Saturday. So check in, tune in. And until next time, next Saturday, March 9th, 11 a.m., this is the Anti-Lawyer Lawyer Big B. I appreciate it. Tag your friends, share the video.